In the third subsection of our calculation for the VOS energy consumption and GHG emissions, we'll look again at the definition of constants and variables. In accordance with the standard, we can perform the following designations. The constant FVOS is accordingly the total fuel consumption which was used for the VOS. As a constant variable example, we could set up the following equation. FVOS equals 4,000 liters of diesel. In this example, we have VOS fuel calculated then, and corresponds to 4,000 liters. As another constant, we have EU, which simply the well-to-wheel energy factor for the spent fuel means. For this, we show an example of diesel as EW equals 42.7 megajoules per liter. This power factor is, however, not expressed in liters, but in megajoules. After we have addressed the two different variables, it's time for the third variable, namely the kilogram. For this, we can use the constant GW list, which represents the well-to-wheel GHG emission factor for the fuel consumed. As consumption and variable example again affected the diesel fuel, we get GW equals 3.24 kilograms of carbon dioxide emissions per liter. These third constant differs from the previous two constants as the result is needed given in kilograms and expressed in per liter of CO2e ratio. I will not get into detail now when dealing with the last two constants GT and ET. It is only because they show the same variables that we have already discussed. I want to leave you with these two constants only with an accurate description. The ET constant description would read the tank-to-wheel energy factor for the fuel consumed. As the calculation example, we have again the diesel. The corresponding formula is ET equals 35.9 megajoules per liter. The constant GT ultimately is described as the tank-to-wheel GHG emissions factor for the fuel consumed. A corresponding formula is near GT equals 2.67 kilograms CO2e per liter. Thus we have almost completed the third substep. Let's summarize the information.